Hello everyone. Broccoli is one of the most popular vegetables people consume in the States. It's healthy and nutritious, but it tastes bad for many people because broccoli are usually either eaten raw in a salad or boiled. No wonder many kids really hate them. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook broccoli in a simplest way yet it tastes really yummy. It's called garlic broccoli, or in Chinese, 蒜蓉西兰花. My approach does not involve blanching, so no nutrients are lost and much simpler to cook. First, we prepare broccoli. Wash and clean the broccoli and soak for 3 minutes. Then cut them into small florets. Now, mince garlic and ginger. Smash and peel 5 cloves of garlic and then mince into tiny pieces. Also, mince a little bit ginger and set them aside. Next, prepare garlic sauce. We use a little bit of salt, sugar, cooking wine, cornstarch, and oyster sauce, and then top up with a little bit of water and then mix them up, set aside. Now, cooking time. Pour cut broccoli into a frying pot. Add only 1 tablespoon of water and a tiny bit of olive oil. Then cover with a lid and turn heat on high. As the pot is heated, steam will form and the water will get soaked into broccoli pieces, and the pot bottom will be seen dry very soon. This only takes about 1 minute. It's important you do not put in more water than broccoli can absorb. Now, turn heat to medium-low. Immediately remove the lid. Slide broccoli pieces to one side so a small airy bottom will show up. Now add in some olive oil, followed by minced garlic and ginger. As garlic and ginger start to sizzle, quickly mix them up with broccoli and stir for a few seconds. Now, swirl in garlic sauce while stirring. Give a quick stir right before we plate it. That's it. The total cooking time is less than 5 minutes. Let me know how you like this recipe, and thanks for watching Luke Cookbook. See you next time.